CID Parth Samthaan opens up on Backlash for replacing Shivaji Satam, says didn't expect it. Parth Samthaan has opened up about replacing Shivaji Satam in the popular show CID. In a recent interview, the young actor explained that it is obvious for fans to be upset. However, he also admitted that he never expected trolling to be this intense. Parth mentioned that replacing a legend is not easy and agreed that he has a big responsibility now. It's a huge responsibility. I recently shot with Shivaji sir, and it was a fantastic experience. At 75, his energy and dedication are incredible. He's been consistent in his role for over 2 decades, and that's truly commendable, Parth told India Forums. Honestly, I didn't expect the trolling to be this intense. I understand where it's coming from. Even I have been a fan of Shivaji sir and the original characters. If I were in the viewer's place, I'd probably feel the same seeing someone new step into such a loved role, the actor added. Parth further promised that his character will bring something new for the audience and shared, I've come to CID with a purpose, and that will be revealed through the storyline. Right now, Ayushman doesn't share a bond with other officers, and that tension will play out. Replacing a legend is never easy. I'm not here to fill his shoes but to bring something new while respecting the legacy. For the unversed, Parth Samthaan has officially replaced veteran Shivaji Satam, who played the iconic ACP Pradyuman in CID for decades. The show now revolves around the hunt for Barbosa, the man responsible for Pradyuman's murder. But it's no longer just a mission, it's personal. The emotional rift between the CID officers and the new leadership has set the stage for a gripping storyline. Previously, in an interview, Parth admitted that he had doubts about taking on the role of ACP Ayushman. The actor was speaking to Hindustan Times when he said, initially, I rejected the role of ACP Pradyuman, because I don't relate to it. But the makers asked me to reconsider. I was also hesitant due to the show's long-standing cast and the fact that they'd have to address me as sir on screen. It felt a bit unusual and awkward. Latest blogs.